Hi there friends, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I got a big package here with me. This is going to be like my first fragrance haul. I ordered 5 Middle Eastern clones. I'm going to be testing them out, see what I think about it from my first impressions. Now before I begin, make sure you hit that like button. It'll help me a lot with the algorithm. And if you're new here, be sure to subscribe if you enjoy my content. So let's jump right into it. So I'm just going to tap. Okay, so I ordered these one from fragrancebuy.ca, good fragrance company to order all your fragrances. Let's pull them out one by one. Okay, wow, this box looks amazing. Wow. So we got this and that. Good. Oh, that's weird. I thought there was a 5th fragrance in here. Put this again. Okay, sorry guys. I think they missed one fragrance, and so I got 4 here with me. The first one is the Afnan Supremacy, Not Only Intense. The second one is we got Tabac Eau de Parfum by Maison Alhambra. And next we got Hercules by, I think this is by Maison Umbrella, I'm not sure who. And the next one we have, what's it called? Ameer Oudh, Intense Oud. So this is like the kind of inspired by Creative Ventus, and this one will be a clone of Dior's Tabac color. Sorry if I pronounced it wrong. And this is obviously, when you look at it, it's the box looks so similar to Parfums de Marly Harrod. And next, this one is the clone of Ameer Oudh. Oudh is the clone of Maison Margiela's By the Fireplace. So yes, I'm really excited to test these out. First, I'm going to start off with Supremacy, Not Only Intense by Afnan. Let's see how it is. Love their packaging. It looks so beautiful. There we go. Put this down. Okay, so yeah, let's see how it looks. So it has a nice cover kind of case. Wow, the box is plastic, very hard cover, as you can see here. And you open, okay, it's like a book. You open it up. Wow, they really go above and beyond with the packaging for sure. And okay, so it opens up. Okay, this comes out. It's just something it says about the fragrance, and wow. And here is put this here. Okay, let's put it on the side. Very nice bottle. It's a little bit curved. Got this big cap. It's kind of like a handle. Oh, so let's see. Pull it off. Oh, it's not too bad. Okay. Let's see how this one smells. Oh, and a pretty good atomizer. Okay. It does remind me of Creative Ventus, but not so much. It has a very good freshness in it. They have the note oak musk to it. So yeah, it doesn't smell like Creative Ventus that much. Not too much. I do get a smokiness. Very nice. It's synthetic, but very nice. Not too citrusy like the not too citrusy like Club de Nuit d'Intense Man, but a pretty nice clone. I say this one was inspired by Creative Ventus. It's not so much smells like it, but it does, it's, this one doesn't exactly smell like it. You could just say it's inspired. So it's like a Creative Ventus twist. It has its own twist to it. That's so far nice. It has a good smokiness to it, and citruses I get lots is nice. Yeah, so let's turn off with this Tabac oil perfume. Now this one, I never smelled the Dior's original one before, so let's see how this one smells. Now this one, I can't even find the note breakdown for it on Fragrantica anywhere, so I don't know. From what I know, there's going to be like tobacco in here. This is so tightly wrapped. Oh. Let's see. Okay, wow. Whoops. Very snug in there. Wow, the bottle looks so similar to Dior's bottle. They've replicated a lot. It's pretty nice. Doesn't have the magnetic cap like Dior, but let's see how this one smells. Whoops. Okay. Whoops. Very sweet. It's sweet, very smooth. Yeah, I don't know if it smells like that original one, but yeah, it's a nice fragrance. It's very thick, full-bodied. It's not a good time to wear this in the summer. I feel like this one's a more fall and winter, definitely. But not too bad. But not too bad, huh? It's a pretty good one. Has good some sweetness to it, a little bit powdery. Yeah, pretty nice. Yeah. So let's move on to the next one, Hercules. Now I own a Harriet, and I've worn it a lot, so I could tell you guys if it smells like Harriet or not. We'll see how it is. They've done an excellent job copying their boxes and everything. It looks so similar, but let's see how close this one gets. Wow. Now the bottle doesn't even look like the Parfums de Marly Harriet, but it's very nice. Chrome color. Yeah. Whoa. It's got a pretty snug cap. You really have to pull it. Let's see. Okay. Now this one, to me, this one doesn't even smell like Harriet. I don't get it. I mean, maybe a little bit, not even close. It's just, it's not, it doesn't have that nice pipe tobacco smoothness to it and that spiciness that the Harriet has. No, this one's nice. It's not too bad. Has good sweetness to it. Yeah, I get more sweetness than the tobacco note. But nice. I say this around. I mean, everyone's different. I don't want to put a, maybe I put a percentage on it. It's not too much. I can't even put a percentage of it, how close it is to Parfums de Marly Harriet. It just, to me, it doesn't even smell like it. Like maybe a little bit, not too much. Maybe to some other people it might smell closer to it, but who knows. Let's try the last one, Ameer Oudh. See, and I own By the Fireplace, so I spent a lot of time with that one. So as soon as I smelled this, I could tell it smells similar. Let's open, how do you open the box? So they got it taped right here. Oh. Okay, let's open it up. Wow. Look at the very dark juice it has. Nice chrome back. I love the Arabic writing. It's kind of cool, kind of neat. I'm Persian myself, so I'm familiar with these Arabic. I don't know how to read it, but I know some of the alphabets. But very nice, very cool bottle. Very simple. Again, it has a nice nut cap. Okay, atomizer. I get the burnt sugar, sweetness. This one is smoky, it is sweet. But I don't find this similar to By the Fireplace. Maybe this one's like inspired by the fireplace, so I wouldn't say it's like a clone of it. But nice, not too bad. Yeah, pretty good. Yeah. So I'm gonna smell the Afnan Supremacy Not Only Intense again. Yeah. As it's drying more and more, it does smell like a little bit similar to Club Dune Intense, man. And get that citruses and those smoky birch note. Can't really smell the oak musk right now because that one's in the base, but it's pretty similar. It has good smokiness to it. Yeah, very good. Let's try the Tabac. Yeah, this one kind of smells like the shisha, the cherry pipe tobacco. It does smell synthetic, very synthetic. Yeah, but it's a very nice one for a clone. I mean, these are good prices. I got these for like $30 Canadian. I don't know how much US, maybe 20. They're in that very like $30, $40 range. But I'm smelling hair right now. Right now, as I'm smelling it right now, I do get that pipe tobacco smell to it. It's starting to smell a little bit more to hair, but not maybe 70-75% like hair. Yeah, but pretty nice. I say this one is the closest to the real thing. Let's smell the, what's it called? Ameer. Let's smell the Ameer Allure. Nice. Yeah, I feel like I could get more of I get more sweetness. I got some smokiness, kind of like something like burnt sugar, like a caramelized sugar. So far from these 4 fragrances that I smelled, I like Afnan's Supremacy Not Only Intense. It smells really similar to Club Dune Intense, man. I think when it dries down and with that oak moss note, it'll change up a little bit, not too sure. But I'm gonna be spending some time with these Middle Eastern fragrances. Yeah, I mean, this one smells really good. Let's see, maybe on the skin it'll smell better. So yeah, I was really excited to finally pick up some Middle Eastern fragrances. I think the only one that I had was a Club Dune Intense Man limited edition, which I love a lot. It's very smooth, it's refined, it's better than the original. It is a little bit more pricier. So write down in the comment section below, let me know if you tried these Middle Eastern fragrances, and let me know which one do you think smells closer to the original. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. Peace.